You know what I'm using here? Using dishwasher. Guess what functions I'm using? This is a Boss machine. Not a great deal, about 50 some minutes there to go here. Sanitize. Why are you using sanitize? COVID-19. Don't want to get the real bad flu. And your backside, don't want them to get it, do all. Sanitize the stuff I use here. Why not? Sanitizing. Sanitize. Get rid of eliminate the deadly variants and the costly coronavirus too. Good. Good water and this place hot. Actually, somebody would love this kitchen. I know. No, a friend of mine would really love this kitchen. A friend of mine would really love it. Yeah, I would. Anyways.